Hi guys, this is noemsize, and today's video, this is a tutorial video. I'm going to teach you how to create your own custom YouTube thumbnails in Canva. I'll repeat, ang gagamitin po natin for today will be Canva for making your own YouTube thumbnails. Alam nyo ba, YouTube is amazing. In just a few short minutes, you can learn how to do anything, like how to create your own standout YouTube thumbnails, especially made from Canva. Okay, even better, you don't need to have a YouTube manager or graphic designer to have a pro-looking channel. You'll be happy to hear that Canva's already made it super easy for your channel to stand out and improve your click-through rate. So for today's short training, I'll share how to create your very own YouTube thumbnails, so you can create your own unique style for every video and easily transform the overall look and feel of your channel. So let's start. Okay, so the first thing you are going to do is, of course, you have to download this app, Canva. Since I have already here, so I will just click it like this one. Okay, there you go. Then, ayan. So, to create your own thumbnails, okay, so here is a blank one. You are going to choose. Pipili ka ng gusto mo na design. Okay. Pero, may makikita ka dito na mga iba't ibang, what do you call this one? Iba't ibang recommended na mga dapat mong gawan. Okay, since ikaw ay nasa YouTube, hanapin mo ngayon yung for YouTube, okay? So, let's find it. Or better, type it. YouTube, oh yeah, here. Tutorial YouTube thumbnail. Ayan. Okay, wait natin wait natin. Okay, there is it. So, if you like a blank one, click that one. Pero ako, hahanap ako dito, okay? So, hahanap tayo dito. It's up to you. Since ang dami naman dito mapagpipilian. Ayan, mapagpipilian ng mga thumbnails. Okay, for example, okay, how to train your puppy. Ayan. Okay, wait lang po. Ayan. For example, ang topic mo is all about how to train your puppy. Pwede mo yung palitan. For example, your tutorial, your video is all about how to bath your puppy. Okay. How to bath your puppy. Okay, pwede mo rin siyang kung gusto mo siyang palitan ng color, you can just click this one. Ayan. Want to make it pink? Ayan. Let's see. Ayan. Pink. Para maiba naman. Or you like red? It's up to you. If you want a green one, just click this green. Ayan. Pero mas maganda rito is white. So, let's just make it white. Ayan. And you can change this image here. So what will we do? We're going to upload, or to get picture, kukuha ka lang dito sa uploaded mo. Or, dito sa uploaded. Meron din ako dito. Say for example, it's all about bathing. O kunwari, eto. Ayan. Because it's all about taking a bath. Yan. Pwede mo rin siyang i-ganon. Yan. Just stretch it like that. Then, ayan. There you go. Then, send to back. Ayan na yung ano mo. Why is it puppy? So, how to bath your cat na lang, okay? How to bath your cat. Okay. Dito natin yan sa baba. Okay, pwede mo siyang i-adjust na ganon, pwedeng ganyan. So, ayan. Gawin natin na medyo yeah, medyo bright yung color. Okay, so I think it's better like that. Then what will you do next kung wala ka nang idadagdag pa? If you want to put your channel here, pwede mo rin dyan lagyan. If you want to crop it, okay? Or if not, wala. Yun, ganyan. Then, ayan, if everything is okay, download it. Download. Okay, since ang napili ko ay merong bayad, wag yan. Okay, so wag natin yan. Yeah. Piliin mo na lang yung walang bayad. Just download it. Ayan. Magpipress ka lang ng download. So, just check your downloaded area. So, ayan. That's it. Okay. That's it for today. Okay, itutuloy ko ito later on. Okay, bye!